Hello students, once again and welcome to this section of Limitless English with Mr. Reyes. Today we have the book Warlink Intro, Unit 4A. Warlink Intro, Unit 4A. So let's get started. As you can see in the first section, or the name of this unit is Activities. So we're going to be talking about the activities that you normally do, the activities that you do in the morning, in the afternoon, all the activities that you like to do and that you frequently do. The first thing that we have here, it says look at the photo that we have here in the back. So make sure that you look at the photo in your book. It says answer the questions. The first question is, where are the people? So according to that picture, according to that photo, where are the people? Are they like on the streets? Are they like in a bank? Or where are they? What is the woman doing? So look at the woman that we have in the picture and answer. What is that woman doing? What are three things you do every day? Three things you do every day. I would say eat. Well, some people, they don't eat every day, but it's your question. So try to answer that part. What are the things that you do every day? Unit goals, very important. Describe what you're doing. So what are you doing now? Number two, tell how you are feeling and ask how other people are feeling. How are you feeling? And how does your mother feel? Or how does your father feel? Or your friend or your boyfriend? Number three said talk about school subjects and activities. Very important. School subjects, math, English, social studies, and talk about long-term plans. So here you're going to talk about plans that you have in long-term, plans that you have from here to like 3 years, a plan that you have from here to like 5 years, and so on. So let's get this video, the one that we have here. You see this shows some students. They are like in a university and they're having a chat, they're talking. Lesson 8, the name of the lesson is what are you doing? So you can start thinking about that. What are you doing now? So watch the video, and after you watch the video, you complete the exercises that we have in the bottom. And we're going to read the exercises for you anyways. So watch this video.
Hi, I'm Leah. I'm a first-year college student. I'm studying business here at the university. I'm very busy, and my friends are too. Here's a look at what we're doing today. This is my roommate, Sophia, and our friend, Dan. They're in the library right now. Sophia's studying history, so she's always busy reading and writing papers. I think that she's working on a research project. Here's my classmate, Emil. He's exercising. He's on the soccer team, so he spends a lot of time at the gym. And there's Renee. She's eating lunch and talking on the phone before class. Some of the classes here are big, but this one is pretty small. My professor is teaching us new math theories. I think it's really interesting. Not all of my friends agree with me, though. After class, I see my friend Paolo. It's nice out, so we're sitting outside and doing homework. Paolo is studying for a test tomorrow. And, of course, we're drinking coffee. A college student is always drinking coffee. Life here is busy, but it's also very interesting. I really like it here.
All right, so the next section is for you to complete the exercises that we have here. Remember, you can watch the video repeated times if you need to watch it again, and if you don't understand it. Make sure that you check all the words that you don't understand in the dictionary, so like that, you'll understand everything that we have here. So it says, watch the video with the sound off. Where are these people? What are they doing? Write three things. So you got to write in this section three things that those people are doing. And watch the video again with the sound on, check your answers. So after you watch the video, you check your answers and make sure that you correct them. Do you do any of the things in the video? What else do you do? Tell a partner. So they're talking about things that you do. The second part is about the vocabulary. In the vocabulary, said, what are these people doing? Match each sentence with a photo. So he says here, he's doing his homework and studying for a test. He's watching TV. He's texting a friend. She's exercising and listening to music. He's talking on the phone. She's eating pizza and drinking soda. They're going to school. She's shopping. So according to the pictures that you have here in your book, then you need to put what picture this sentence belongs to. So with this guy here, what is he doing? Is he doing his homework? Is he texting? Is he exercising? So you got to complete according to the picture and the sentence that we got there in your book. Cover up the sentences, point to a person and ask your partners a question. The idea is that you can start practicing the questions here. So you can ask, what are they doing in this picture? What is she doing in this picture? What is she doing? And so on. So complete that part and watch the video again if you have to. On the listening part, it says pronunciation, questions, intonation. Read the dialogue below and practice with a partner. How are you doing today? Fine, thanks. How about you? I am doing great. Sounds like how are you and sounds like about you. Normally, they cut out in the pronunciation when it comes to that. So listen to the first part that we got here so you can listen to the pronunciation and please repeat so you can get equal pronunciation.
When we ask, how are you doing today? It often sounds like, how are you doing today? Let's practice. Listen and repeat.
How are you doing today? How are you doing today?
When we ask, how about you? It often sounds like, how about you? Once again, listen and repeat. How about you? How about you? Okay, now let's practice the conversation. Listen and repeat.
How are you doing today?
Fine, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing great.
All right, so make sure that you continue practicing so you can get that pronunciation. Instead of saying, how are you doing? We usually say, how are you doing? You know, like a little together. And the same thing on the other one. On the next exercise, it says here, make predictions. You'll hear 3 conversations in D. Read the keywords from each conversation. What are the people doing in each situation? Tell a partner what you think. Conversation 1, popular, expensive, and buy. Conversation 2, park, running. Conversation 3, notebook and pen. So the idea here is that according to that information, you could think about what the conversation is going to be about. If I say popular, expensive, and buy, what do you think the conversation is going to be about? If I say park and running, what is your opinion about that conversation? Like, what can the conversation be about? If I say notebook and pen, what that conversation could be about? It's just your opinion. So now it says, listen for gist and details. Listen to the conversations. What is each person doing? Circle the correct answer. So they are going to tell you, A, going to the park, B, in a supermarket, or whatever they say. So according to what they said, you need to correct or put the correct answer here. So listen and complete number 1, 2, and 3.
1.
Hello, how are you doing today?
I'm great. How about you?
Fine, thank you. Can I help you find anything?
Yeah.
I think so. I want to buy a smartphone.
Okay, great.
It's for my mom, actually. It's a gift.
For your mother. Gotcha.
I like this one. Is it easy to use?
Yes, it is. It's a very popular phone, and it's not expensive.
Sounds good. I think.
What is the customer doing? A. He's waiting for a phone call. B. He's looking at phones. C. He's talking on the phone. 2.
Hello?
Hi, Gabby. It's Jim.
Oh, hi, Jim. How are you?
I'm great, but where are you, Gabby?
I'm at the park.
Oh, and what are you doing?
I'm walking and running.
Maybe this isn't a good time. Let's talk later, okay?
Okay, bye.
Bye.
What is Gabby doing? A. She's going to the gym. B. She's waiting for a friend. C. She's exercising. 3.
Leo? Leo?
Yes, Mom?
I hear voices. Are you talking on the phone?
No, Mom, I'm not. It's my radio.
And are you texting?
No, I'm not. I'm sitting here with my notebook and pen and...
Remember, Leo, no phone calls and no texts.
Don't worry. I'm doing my homework. I promise.
Okay, well, good luck.
Thanks, Mom.
What is Leo doing? A. He's talking on the phone. B. He's texting a friend. C. He's doing his homework.
All right, so make sure that you answer according to what they say. It's an A, B, or C. If you need to listen again, you can repeat it to make sure that you understand those things and that you got the correct answer. We'll go to the next exercise. That should be the speaking. In the speaking part, it says here, listen to the conversation, then answer the questions with a partner. The question is, what is Shinja doing? What is Louis doing? So what is she doing? What is she doing? Listen, I'm going to play this 2 times and then we'll go to the next exercise. The idea is that you can practice and that you can get the pronunciation of this conversation.
Hello?
Hey, Shinja. It's Luis.
Hi, Louise. How are you doing?
Fine. How about you?
So.
Yeah? What's wrong?
I'm waiting for the bus. It's late.
Sorry to hear that.
What are you doing, Louise?
Not much. I'm watching TV.
Listen again so you could practice. That's the idea.
Hello?
Hey, Shinja. It's Luis.
Hi, Louise. How are you doing?
Fine. How about you?
So.
Yeah? What's wrong?
I'm waiting for the bus. It's late.
Sorry to hear that.
What are you doing, Louise?
Not much. I'm watching TV.
All right, make sure that you continue practicing this conversation so you can get your good pronunciation. On the next exercise, it says, speaking strategy. Complete the dialogue below. Use the useful expressions to help you. Then practice the dialogue with a partner. So here it says positive. greeting people and asking how they are. Hi, Sarah. How are you? How are you doing? Fine. Okay. Oh, fine. All right. Not bad. How about you? All of those are used when you want to say something positive. I am fine, thanks. When it's negative, hi, Juki. How is it going? So-so. So-so means like in the middle. Not good or bad. You can even say, really? Yeah, what's wrong? What's the problem? Basically means what's wrong. I am waiting for the bus. It's late. So, according to these useful expressions that we have here, make sure that you complete the lines that we got here. Hi, and you put one of the ones that we got there according to the ones that goes there. All right, so complete all these blanks. And after you complete the blanks, we're going to check with Mr. Reyes in the classroom to make sure that you have them correct. All right. Ask 4 people in your class how they are doing today. So you can start practicing this because we're going to do this in the class. How are you doing today? You're going to be asking another partner. On the next section, we have the grammar. What we'll do about the grammar is that first we're going to watch the video and then I'm going to read the things that we have here. And after that, then you'll complete the exercises that we have here from the grammar. Listen to the video.
Present continuous tense. The present continuous tense tells about an action happening now.
I am talking on the phone. You are talking on the phone. He is talking on the phone. We are talking on the phone.
I am not wearing a uniform. She is not wearing a uniform. They are not wearing a uniform. I am typing on my computer.
I am not typing on my computer.
We are driving home. We are not walking home.
Make sure that you watch it again so you could understand the things that we have on the video. When it comes to the grammar part, you have some homework that you need to complete in your notebook. So please investigate what is the present continuous and write the answer in your notebooks. And please investigate what are the uses of the present continuous. After you investigate that part and you study about the present continuous, then you'll understand some of the things that we have here. Subject pronoun, I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Then we use the verb be in the middle. All right, I am. And then after that, we use the present continuous. I am working, I am eating, I am texting, the present continuous. And if you are going to use the negative, then the not goes before the verb as you have it here. So, I am is equal to I am. I am not is equal to I am not. These are contractions. The contractions that we use instead of I am, we use the contractions I am. Make sure that you practice and you get those pronunciation. You are, the contraction is you are. She is, the contraction is she is. We are, the contraction is we are. And we are not, we're not. And we aren't. So you can use these two contractions for the negative part. Make sure that you check those things. If not, you can repeat again. All right? It says here, look at the picture below. Look at the picture that we have here. All right? This is the picture. Very important. This is the picture that we have here. Let me hit it slower so like that you could all see it. And what are the people doing? on a piece of paper, so this we're going to check in your notebook, all right, on a piece of paper, write 5 sentences. Use the present continuous tense. So you need to write 5 sentences using the present continuous using this picture, from this picture, okay? And it says here, work with a partner, look at a picture A and B, point to a person and ask a question. Find the differences in the pictures. What's he doing? In picture A, he's talking on the phone. So here we have another exercise that you're going to complete in your notebook. Number 1, you need to look at this picture and you need to write with the present continuous, what are the people doing in this picture? Now, if you see, this is a similar picture, but this picture, the person here is doing something different in this picture. So you got to write in your notebook. In picture A, the man, let's say this one here, is working, or he's looking at his computer. And you can see here, this man is not eating. And then in picture B, the man that was looking at his computer is eating, he's eating something right here. The same thing with this guy. You can see in picture A, this guy is drinking coffee, let's say because of the cup, all right? And in picture B, this guy is drinking soda. So you need to write in your notebook, using the present continuous, what are the people doing in picture A and what are the people doing in picture B. I will check that as your homework. So make sure that you check it. Check your book, because you can see the picture in your book too. And you can see picture A and picture B and write sentences using the present continuous. The next exercise will be the communication part. And this, we do it more in the classroom, but I'll read everything so you could get ready. And then in the classroom, we could complete this exercise with no problem. It says here, communication. Follow the steps below. Get into groups of 4, read the actions, and look up any words you don't know. So please check your dictionary for everything that you don't understand from this section. It says here, dancing to rap music, exercising at the gym, playing soccer, play video games, reading a funny book, shopping for a graduation gift, sleeping late, studying for an exam, talking to a boyfriend or girlfriend, texting a friend, waiting for the subway, walking to school, watching a sad TV show, working at an office. So, in a regular classroom, we will do this. It says, write each action above on a piece of paper. Mix up the pieces of papers and place them in face down. So, one student takes a piece of paper but doesn't show the others. This is a game. The student has 1 minute to act out the action. What is he or she doing? The other 3 students have 1 minute to guess by asking yes and no question. If they guess correctly, the group gets a point. Take turns as the actor and repeat step 3 until you use all the slip of papers. Which group has the most points? So the idea, this is a game, and then everybody is gonna see what they have there, and only one person is gonna look at the paper, and that paper is gonna express an action. So that person, without speaking, only acting, need to act so the other students can say what is the action that that person is doing. We're going to play that game in the next class. All right? And we have rules. Rules. You cannot make any sounds when you are acting out the action, so no sounds. Okay? And you cannot point to other objects as clues. You can point to people if they get part of the answer. So in this case, you need to act. You need to act the action so the other students, they can ask questions. They could say, do you do that in a disco, or are you listening to music? You can answer the question yes or no until they say exactly what you're doing. You are sleeping late, or you